there, this is Taslima Maya Art. Thank you for joining me on my channel and I hope you find this video useful. If so, please give it a like. I'm really excited to say that I've discovered a new way of masking for alcohol inks using Perlen pens, or Pearl pens as they're known. And it actually creates a really good barrier, better than the Posca pencil masking, simply because the alcohol ink doesn't manage to break the barriers because they are obviously 3D. And the beauty of it is that it protrudes in a 3D way from the paper. So if you're using Yopo paper or craft paper or whatever paper you're using, you can run your hands along the outlines and it feels really nice to touch, and has that 3D effect as well as containing the alcohol ink within the lines. I've never seen anyone use this technique before, so I'm hoping that I'm the one who's discovered it. If someone has used it before, please do let me know. Otherwise, I think it's something really nice to share with all my followers and viewers and subscribers. So if you do venture into using alcohol inks, you could use these Perlen pens. They come in lots of different colours. Some of them are pearlescent in colour, and really quite beautiful, so you can create any kind of outline that you want using these, and they're very, very easy to use. As you can see, I'm doing so here, and they have very crisp, clear lines, and as I said, that unlike the Posca pencil, sometimes the ink breaks through the barrier of the Posca pencil, particularly if you're pressing quite hard and it creates a dip. This obviously is very different because it's 3D, and it sticks out from the paper, so the alcohol ink can't really go under it or over it, so you have that additional kind of opportunity to create whatever you like without worrying about those additional problems. If you do use this technique, please do let me know. It'd be lovely to hear from you in the comments if you plan to use it, and I would love to see what you create as well. So you can tag me if you like with the channel name or my name on social media. It would be great to see what other people can create with this technique. I'm so glad to have discovered this new technique, especially for those of us who really struggle with Posca pencils. I'm hoping it'll make things a bit easier for us. I'm hoping in my next alcohol ink video to try more traditional methods of masking, and I will be showing you some tools that I've just ordered and received to do that. So stay tuned, and if you haven't